We ain't gotta say nothing. Go home. Slide it up in there, man. We're gonna wall socket this bitch.
Hopefully.
DD.
DD, baby!
We're gonna hook yeah, we put it in a box. So.
A hush goes over the crowd. The whole box moving. See that? The whole box moving.
Take it out of the box once. Here, so yeah, take it out and then hit it.
Off the top of the garage onto the speaker.
I can smell it.
You can smell it, but it still ain't blowing.
How you if you left it in? Well, that's good. Time for a recone.
Yeah, we can't do that no more, man. I don't want to mess the magnet up inside.
Yeah, I don't want to have to clean out a bunch of gunk.
Yeah.